Planet Scrappy. La la la. What's that? Whoa! A robo-planet! And that's a dragon! Look at it glow! There are so many stars! What else can I see? Whoa! Is that a shooting star? But it is heading this way! Oh no! Cover! A new friend! You're finally here! But it seems that you're not moving. Let me check on you. Oh, he's hot! Good thing I have my Granny's mittens. Oh. Whew, he is heavy. Here you go, friend. Now let me fix you. But I will be needing a help from a friend. I need to call ReeRee about this, and she's on the space lab. Can you help me, explorers? Yes! That's great! So, let's close our eyes and put our hands on our head. Ready?
Ping pong, ping ping pong, ping pong ping, ping pong, ping pong ping.
Good morning, ReeRee.
Oh, hello, Gizmo. Hello, explorers. Wow, is that your new robot friend?
Yeah, but what's a robot? And is my friend still alive?
Positive. I scanned him, and your friend is still alive. And don't you worry, Gizmo. I will show you what robots are. Here, take a look. Check this out. This is the Robo Factory, and they make robots here.
Whoa! Look at those robo-friends!
Robots start as metal sheets and wires, and they're built with a purpose.
So they have different jobs?
Exactly. Some help us build, some help us learn, some help us with our daily tasks. Take a look at my great-great-grandpa.
Nice to meet you, Grandpops.
Phew! He makes any room super clean. Do you know they also have parts like you and me? They also have a head, body, arms, legs. Some others have wheels.
Broo!
Also, do you know that they are powered by batteries and they are made out of gears?
Uh-huh.
And they do have a powerful brain. It's called a chip.
That's good to know.
Back to your friend. He is just missing a few vital pieces. He needs 3 gears, 2 arms, 2 legs, and a chip.
Ooh, his brain. I have to find those parts. But where?
According to the map, there's a scrap mountain just to your right. It's full of spare parts.
Perfect! I will go there. Thanks for all your help, ReeRee.
You are very welcome. Bye.
This way! Whoa! So this is the scrap mountain. Ooh, a table! And are these buttons? But what are these buttons for? And what will happen if I click this? 3 red balls! Whoa! This is how! That's cool! So I think I already have the 3 gears, so I will be needing the other parts. So I will be needing 2 arms, which is color green. 2 legs, and what color? Yellow. Right. And what color is the chip? Blue. Correct. Thanks for your help, explorers. So I will click this, and that. And the last one. We all have the parts. Let's carry it back. The parts are here now. Thanks for your help, explorers. Wow, what's happening? It turned into the robo parts. Now we can fix our friend.
Open him up. See the
I am going to
space
fix you,
inside.
Junkbot.
With doors and hatches open wide. 1, 2, 3 gears spinning round, making a happy clicking sound. 2 long legs to help him stand. 2 strong arms to lend a hand. Slide in the chip, it's the final part to give our friend a thinking start. Build it, do-do-do. Make him quirky, make him new. Build it, do-do-do.
This is
See
so
what our
fun!
clever hands can do.
Uh-oh. Oh no! It seems that you are low battery. How can I chat you up? Aha! Let's catch a lightning with kite-a-lightning!
Find a wire, find some cloth. Tie the string, don't
I
let
have
it off.
all the materials now. Let's
Fold
go!
the frame, untape the spine. Make it strong and make it fine. Throw it high, look at it soar. Just wait till you hear the thunder roar. To the left, zap, zap, zap. To the right, zap, zap, zap. In the middle, zap, zap, zap.
Power's flowing, he's starting to glow. Get ready for the Junkbot show.
Junk boot, junk boot.
Junkbot! You're alive! Huh. Oh, you want to go there? Well, let's go!
Make him clunky, make him new.
Over there!
Build it, do-do-do. See what our clever hands can do.
Wow, Junkbot! We flew all the way up here! Wanna go somewhere else? Oh, you want to go home to your planet. And your mom is looking for you. Oh, I think this is goodbye for now. See you later, alligator!